यू नो अच्छा यंग एज में कुछ है तो चलता है, अभी इसको छोड़ के आजकल तो दुनिया चला है, बट दैट डजंट वर्क, दैट डजंट गिव हैप्पीनेस. So that's how behavior, reduces behavior, and changing the behavior depends on us. So if you want, time for action is now. Whatever you want to decide, you have to decide it now. You can't just procrastinate. So for this, what is required? You must learn to change the way you think. Okay? So patterns to modify your feelings and intensify your feelings to change the physiology. I'll talk about it. Now what does it mean? Like, suppose you just imagine you all are seated here. Suddenly a cobra appears in front of you. So what are you going to do? Either if you are like okay मैं तो खेती बाड़ी कहूँ मैं बराबर इसको करूँगा, तो कहीं पे आप क्लब ढूंढने में उसको मारने का कोशिश करोगे, या तो आप एकदम थरथराने लगोगे, आपका बीपी बढ़ेगा, आपका ये होगा. So why? This is the instant reaction, the physiology reaction. Now how this physiology reaction is created? Because of your eyesight, the sensory perception. So your mind gets the signal, danger, hey, cobra is coming, it's very poisonous, and you learned in your elementary school, and see, if it bites you, you are gone. So with that feeling and fear, you start reacting. So this is how the entire physiology depends on your mental mode and mental thinking. So for this, what we do is, we make you practice visualization. Whatever your fears and phobias, all those fears and phobias can be removed. And if you talk, mind is very, very powerful weapon. See, for example, you think, actually who came on the earth, all the gadgets, और इंसान आया कि बाकी सारे चीज आए, पहले तो इंसान आया, बराबर? So सब कुछ जो हुआ है माइंड में, उसका जेनेसिस माइंड में होता है, उसका उत्पत्ति अपने दिमाग में होती है, चाहे अच्छा हो चाहे बुरा हो. Okay, anything like right from aeroplane or aircraft or computer, whatever you name and whatever you take, everything begins with your mind. So mind is also, for you salvation as well as your bandhan. So they say in Sanskrit, manayeva manushanam karanam bandha mokshayoho. It means it can hold you to binding, it can release you also. So mind is a very powerful weapon. Now you call it mind or brain, whatever your choice. But we use, they say, actually I have taken this from some source, so they say 10%. But believe me, we don't use more than 3 or 4% of our brain. Even the best of the scientists or best of the people, achievers, even Bill Gates must not have used more than 4 or 5% of brain. So you can imagine the potency of mind or potent power of mind and how powerful it could be and what all you can achieve with that. Okay? So, techniques what we practice in NLP that allows you to explore your mind so that you access the inherent excellence. So, everybody, see, Swami Vivekananda has told, actually every child, means every human, let me put it that way, is born with some innate capability. Okay? Only thing is we need a facilitator, we need somebody to trigger that, and then the child will blossom or human will blossom. Okay? If Newton discovered laws of motion, उसको कोई माँ के पेट से सीख के तो नहीं आया था, एक दिन एप्पल गिरेगा भैया तभी बोलना ग्रेविटेशन की वजह से नहीं आया था. See, what is that creativity? And before Newton किसी ने नहीं देखा था क्या? सब लोगों ने देखा था. एप्पल तो सब लोग तोड़ के खाते थे. वो कोई भी फल होता है तो नीचे गिरता है, वो सबको मालूम है. बट किसी को भी स्ट्राइक नहीं हो गया. That moment of awareness came for Newton. वो सोचने लगा, अरे ये आता है तो फल जो है वो नीचे क्यों गिरता है, ऊपर क्यों नहीं जाता है? That led to discovery of gravitational force. So what I'm trying to say is creativity is there in everybody, and it only needs a spark to be kindled, and then that comes out. So you can exploit your mind power and then achieve whatever you want. And it allows you to create new neurological pathways of new behaviors, eliminates old destructive patterns. For this, I'll give you an analogy, a very simple thing. See, I'll tell you, I started using, my own example I'm giving you, I started using computers in 1994. That time it was quite heavy. My husband got it from US and I started using it. I'm one crazy person. If I take interest in something, I do it to the rock bottom, continuously working and all that. I developed a problem in my right finger, only this finger. We did all the tests. First we thought that it's metacarpal syndrome and all that stuff. But nothing was there, but I couldn't write only. It became such a thing, and my handwriting used to be very beautiful. So it started becoming little haywire. So my mind would never accept. So this, I used to get a trigger in the finger and then write. I used to get so frustrated, you know. Even signatures, because of the stress, it started changing. With all my meditation, this and that, it wouldn't help. Then I decided, hell with right hand. राइट हैंड से इतना क्यों है, मैं लेफ्ट हैंड से स्टार्ट करती हूँ. सुबह में शाम में मैं भी छोड़ती नहीं हूँ कोई भी चीज अगर ध्यान दूँ तो 1 month early in the morning I would get up half an hour writing practice, night half an hour writing practice. Now whatever I write with left hand, there is no difference in handwriting. See how this happened. I am not a lefty by birth, but now I am ambidextrous. I can paint with both the hands, I can write with both the hands. Both the hands I can use equally. So this is how, when one thing is closed, their brain starts developing other things. And people who are hard of hearing, they have got very sharp vision. People who are blind have very sharp ear. So all this happens because your neural pathways develop. Okay? So that's what we mean. So it allows us to find out. So in a nutshell, NLP can help anything that you do in life that requires thought, either conscious or unconscious.
10 minutes for question answers.
Yeah. I'll go quickly. This is a very important part, what I have to say. See, mind and body are the parts of the same system. So whatever your mind generates, the body starts affecting on that. That's why we call that the psychosomatic orders. Go to the next slide. So we start telling psychosomatic disorders. It means what आप जो सोचते हो वही होने लगता है. आप सच्ची एक बात बताती हूँ, लाइक सुबह में उठ के अरे आज मेरा दिल ही नहीं कर रहा है, ये कहाँ का मुसीबत है, मुझे काम पे जाना ही है, मेरा सर में दर्द है. After 1 hour, I bet you will experience that circle because your thought, you got up with that thought. So that is called as psychosomatic disorder. Now NLP is useful in treating healing of mind and body, self-image and self-esteem, developing confidence. You can go through the list. And eating disorder, insomnia, weight control, and alcoholism and smoking, compulsive lying, all those things can be done. These are the different techniques of NLP. I won't go in detail into it, just for your awareness. There is a technique called as anchoring, and then the pattern interruption. Next. This I would explain. This all of you without knowing NLP also you practice. Whenever you are depressed, you go into, you think of some past trauma, ऐसे हुआ था, वैसे हुआ था, मेरे साथ ऐसे हुआ था. You almost are on the verge of crying. Suddenly your mind is very, very sharp. वो बोलता है बस हो गया भैया, मैं भी थक जाता हूँ, मुझे अभी कुछ और सोचने दो. Suddenly आपको किशोर कुमार का गाना याद आ जाता है, या कुछ भी डांस का सीक्वेंस याद आता है. So that's how our mind also knows. This is called switch technique. So you cannot continue in a very depressive mode for a very long time. So your mind knows how to switch on and off. That's called the switch technique. We intentionally do that. And loop break is again, see, you must have heard whenever you are angry and all that. और भाग के आते हो, एकदम चिल्लाते हो, तो elderly person जो next रहते हैं क्या बोलते हैं? Hold on, calm down. थोड़ा पानी वानी पी ले फिर बात करना. See there, the thought chain is breaking. That's called as breaking loop. So even if anybody has a stage fear in talking and addressing the crowd and all that, if you take 10 deep breaths before going on the stage, you will be quite comfortable. So this is called as breaking loop. Then the framing is all your incidences, good or bad, you can frame it and let it go away. That's another technique. Then this is again to understand the other people and our own patterns for better behavior. Next. Now presupposition is another language that makes verbalized assumptions. फलाना औरत तो ऐसे ही है, फलाना आदमी तो ऐसे ही मेरे साथ बात करने वाला है. You presume things, or you want to go to your boss and ask for a day's leave. बाहर डेस्क पे बोल के जाएगा, अरे इसका तो मुझे पता है, मैं अंदर जाती हूँ तो वो देने वाली नहीं है, मैं फिर भी जाके बोलना है, क्या करना है. So you go there, you already carried that thought process. So your boss will say, there was no intention. They will say, why do you want to leave tomorrow? You are unaware because you want to go out and enjoy. So then you will try to feign, no, I have some urgent work. No, the whole thing gets disrupted. You should have applied 1 week back. Please go. See, you try to speak what is going to happen. This is sixth sense again. Mirroring is another process. By mimicking certain behaviors you can develop. Say for example, Sachin Tendulkar is such a good batsman. Now anybody who is going to learn cricket and all that, if you practice the skills what he did and what kind of food he ate, you can try to model behavior and you can achieve something. That's called as mirror. Next. mirroring. So now this is a very important part for you. The mind is divided into conscious, subconscious and unconscious mind. Now the conscious mind is awareness. Like this, you are sitting over here, you are sitting on a chair, you are talking, you are listening to me, and you know that the hall is lit, you know that the slide is changing, or whatever. So this is all your conscious mind. Next. Subconscious mind is something which is a stored information ready reckoner. You have already stored some information which can be extracted. It's like a easy extraction of the memory files. आपको पता है कभी आप घर जाने के टाइम में कितना भी आपको गुस्सा आया हो या फ्रस्ट्रेशन हो, आप यहाँ से निकल के अभी घर जाने के लिए आपको सोचना नहीं पड़ता, अरे मेरे घर किधर है, मैं कॉल आया तो ये नंबर है क्या, ये नेम है क्या, आप नहीं देखते हो, आपका पैर वहां पे लेके जाता है, बिकॉज द इंफॉर्मेशन इज ऑलरेडी स्टोर्ड इन ए सबकॉन्शियस लेवल. नेक्स्ट इज
Go to question answers, please.
Yeah. Unconscious mind is completely subtle and in your maybe like old patterns which are some of the things which are already completely forgotten that you want to retrieve, so you have to think and trigger. So that is the unconscious mind. Okay. I think I'll finish over here. You can ask the questions.